4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that is something that you are looking for, you have found it, so you should subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you're already one of my little doll babies, welcome back. We are doing a wig review today, and I'm loving her already. We are doing a Sheer Muse Sensational wig. It's from their Empress Lace wig line. I'm going to pronounce this LAISHA. LAISHA. Because there's another one that I really love, and it was Tasha. And it was the same name, but with a T. I'm going to call her LAISHA, okay? And I have Miss LAISHA in the color Caramel Blonde Ombre. She's heat safe 350 to 400 degrees. She is a ear-to-ear lace. She did have baby hairs. I ended up cutting them off. And like, they have these gorgeous, gorgeous color mixes. I love the Sheer Muse line. So I have this Caramel Blonde Ombre, this Ash Gray Ombre, the Rose Gold Ombre. I think that's it. I have one of my all-time favorites, Shayna, in those, and you can see that down below in the Sensational playlist. I don't know what's going on with this one here. Silver pink tipped ombre. That pretty much looks like red, white, and blue.
No.
But we're not going to go there. Anyway, so I think I scooped this one up on Poshmark, so I will put all the deets down below where you can get this wig and how much she costs. This wig is yaki textured, natural curly type situation. She's definitely an ashy blonde. You know, I like my ashy blondes. Okay, this is all the hair to the front, so it's, you know, it's a decent density. I'm gonna put her at the 26-inch. 28 maybe. I'm 5'6.5". She's going well beyond my boobage. You can see that there. Yeah. Wig cap was fairly large because I did have to tighten it twice. I'm not wearing any of the combs or anything like that. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, look at how gorgeous that is. Movement is gorgeous. I feel like I want to maybe put her up. I think I might do her half up while we're talking. This wig is a fairly warm wig. It's 80 degrees out, and I probably shouldn't be wearing her, but she's gorgeous, so I'm going to. So whilst we are finishing our conversation, I'm going to go ahead and put her up a little bit in some way. Lace is comfortable. It didn't take me but anything to get her together. I didn't do much to her at all. Like I said, I cut back the baby hairs just because I don't rock with baby hairs like that. That's just not my style. But if you wanted to use them, they are there. And they were fairly easy to work with if you were actually going to work with them. So what I'm going to just do like a flippity twippity spippity. I love almost all of these like Sheer Muse wigs in the Sheer Muse line, so you really can't go wrong. Flippity boppity is not going to work. I wonder if I actually just put it in a ponytail back there. Let's check it from the back. Since I cut all my real hair off of like barely any actual hair ties, because I have short hair now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do like a, yeah. I probably should put the combs in, but I'm feeling so lazy because it's just hot. Ugh. And I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just not doing it. How about that? And you can't even do anything about it because you're not my real dad. As Raw Beauty Christie would say, if you watch Raw Beauty Christie, love her. Go ahead and put that down below. Where's my comb? I always feel like with wigs, when you put them up in things, like kind of messing them up a little bit like that is the key to making them not look wiggy. Because like our natural hair isn't perfect all the time. And yes, there's a benefit to having wigs. So, you know, it's a good thing, but you just want to, yeah, I just try to like mess it up a little bit just so it's not like really perfect. All right, let me check this chick out from the back, and then I think I'm ready to go. Someone asked me one time why I like these super long wigs. Part of it, no joke, is because I really like my rump roast, my butt. I feel like these longer wigs hide my back fat. So that's partially why I really like him. So you just got a secret. All right, I think that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a little bit more powder along here because I was messing with it. Because I actually like to put powder not only in the part, but along my, like along the lace down onto my head so that it looks more seamless. Thank you so much for watching. If there's another sensational wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If there's another one from this line specifically, put that down below. And if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!